This is my absolute favorite cranberry sauce to make for the holidays. And the reason why I like it so much is it's an out-of-the-box thought on how we're making it, and it tastes better than that normal tart cranberry sauce that you're used to having. So check it out. We're gonna do it with dried cranberries, and I call it zombie cranberry sauce. Super simple ingredients, just some craisins, some sugar, gala apples, cinnamon stick, star anise, some sliced oranges. We're gonna slice these up for it. We're gonna come back and cornstarch slurry it. We have some cranberry juice. It has to be very, very important that it's like not any sugar added, just regular normal cranberry juice. So I've just got Ocean Spray I'm rocking out. And then we're gonna cook everything on the sidekick today. We're gonna start out with our apples. Throw in our cranberries, cinnamon stick, star anise, sugar, about 2 cups of cranberry juice. The zest of about half of an orange, the juice of half of the orange. And so that goes for like 5 or 6 minutes, just until these like rehydrate. And once the apples start developing color, cranberry color, and the oranges start developing cranberry color, everything's soft and cooked, the cranberries are rehydrated, we're gonna go ahead and come back and thicken it. You can see how this is really liquidy, but we're gonna take our slurry, we're just gonna drizzle it over the top. And as long as you have this rolling and simmering, just gonna mix it up. You can see how it starts thickening it up so fast. Look at that, it's not runny anymore. And that's it, we'll turn it off and it's done. Seriously, I think the hardest thing about this recipe is peeling and dicing an apple. I mean, it looks great, it smells great, hopefully it tastes great. It tastes great. It's really sweet, but consistently balanced throughout. It has the spice that you want for it to be cold winter months. You guys gotta give it a shot. Try it out. For more recipes like this one, check out the links above or visit campchef.com. If you guys want more simple recipes like this or other flavor-packed monstrosities that I kind of